So you gotta wait till nighttime to check your lights. That's what I'm doing right now. I got everything fired up, got the hornet's nest gone, but I'm testing out the lights, making sure they all still work and whatnot. Just put these in a couple years ago, but it don't take long for them to go bad or burn out or whatever. And we got light there. Couple lights up there, we're good. Boy, it sure makes a difference. I mean, night picking is just not something I really like to do, but man, when you got rain coming and you got to get your stuff to market, you got to have a good set of lights all the way around. No such thing as too many lights on a combine. So on my combine, I run a 9115. 91's going to be your model, and then 15's going to be the foot. So this is a 15-foot table. Going down the road, edge to edge, you're looking at 16 foot, but 15 foot, you know, inside. And a guy up the road has one for sale. That is a 9113. And now, typically, people are looking to upsize, not downsize. But I can tell you, and I can get this down the road without a header cart, no problem. But boy, it'd be a lot easier getting it up and down the road with a 13-footer. So I'm guessing probably edge to edge, you're looking at probably 14. So it'd be even smaller than the inside sickle section here by 1 foot on the outside. And, you know, 13-foot inside cuts. So I'm going to go run up and look at that and check it out, man. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by dead batteries in my camera, I'm going to go up and check out that 13-foot grain table, and if I like it, I'm going to buy it, and I'm going to make a little trip with the combine in part 2. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.